today's press meet is regarding one operation which the Cyber Bureau did on 18th. So, in this operation, we have arrested 15 individuals who were involved in cases of child sexual abuse and exploitation material, that is, child sexual CSAM, child sexual exploitative and abuse material. So they were involved in browsing, forwarding, circulating this material. These 15 individuals have been arrested from different areas of Hyderabad, Cyberabad, Karimnagar, Warangal and Jagtial. These individuals are repeat offenders and they are involved in about 34 cases. 17 of these cases are registered in various police stations of this bureau. Remaining are in other police stations in the state. And these people are involved in about 57 tip lines. So basically in the month of February, the Telangana Cyber Security Bureau started a child protection unit, which was inaugurated by the Honorable CM during the SHIELD conference, which was held at HICC. Now, after formation of this CPU unit, the child protection unit, the Bureau has been concentrating on these type of people who are involved in sharing of CSAM or creation of CSAM material. So we examine the tip lines which come on the NCRP portal or through the NECMEC to us. We are also doing patrolling of the social media handles and also the dark web, where this kind of material is usually circulated. Now, based on this, in this particular instance, we concentrated on people who have repeated tip lines against them, who are habitual in viewing such material. And therefore, we picked up the cases and concentrated on getting 15 people. This is just a one-day operation. Now, since the formation of the Child Protection Unit, we have been able to 294 FIRs in different police stations in the state, and we have arrested 110 accused till now. This is, if you compare this to the figure of 23 and 24, there were just about only about 37 FIRs registered and only 34 people were arrested in 2 years, while in the last 4 months, because of the special efforts of this unit, we have registered no more number of cases and arrest more number of people. The victims in these cases, the present 15 accused which we are talking about, and these present 34 cases, the victims appear to be of foreign origin, nationals. The children are usually aged between 6 to 14 years of age, and most of them are girls. However, investigation is on to try to get further more details and identify them and see and arrive at some conclusion. The accused whom we have arrested mostly are in their 20s. However, the age is between 19 to 50, but most of them, they are in 20s. Most of them are educated, working people, middle class origin. However, we do have one person who is an IIT graduate and working in a reputed software company. There is also another one who is a BTech, who's done BTech and is presently looking for a job. And this BTech student was actually earlier arrested in a case in Atmakura, similar case, a few months back. All the accused have been sent for judicial remand. Earlier also, a couple of months back, because of the efforts of the Child Protection Unit, we were able to actually rescue one minor girl in Suryapet, who was used in this material or in creation of some material in a case was a victim. It is very rarely that based on tip lines, the accused identity is difficult to know, but the identity of the victim is even more difficult to get the identity of the victim and actually rescue. But in this case, by using a lot of tech help, we were able to identify and rescue the child. We would like to tell the public that browsing of exploitative material relating to children, even if it is not abusive, even exploitative, is actually an offense. And anybody involved in browsing, sharing, circulating, creating is in our radar, and we will be taking strict action as per law against them. We are investigating further whether these people whom we have arrested are part of any criminal network which is involved in creating of such material. Their exact role is being looked at, and we are also trying to trace the origin from where this content actually got created. It will take some time and investigation to actually get those details. The Child Protection Unit of the Bureau works in coordination with ICP. This unit has been established in coordination with India Child Protection, yes. Which is one of the NGO working and is part of the Bachpan Bachao Andolan NGO. And with their cooperation, we have this unit set up to examine, and last few months we have been concentrating on this work. I request press to kindly give wide publicity to this because this is an offense both under the IT Act as well as under the POCSO.
I am pointed out since the inception of CPU, Child Protection Unit, we are keeping a strict watch on all the social media platforms, on people who are sharing, viewing, even buying and selling CSAM material. And with the help of ICP, we have the relevant access to technology and tools wherein we can get to know those people who are habitual and repeatedly venturing into the CSAM areas, and we'll be keeping a close watch in the future as well and taking strict legal action against such people.
Please subscribe to the channel and download the Politicos app from the links in the description.